Hi, it's Em here from The Essentials and we are back talking all things laser. Now, are you wondering how many laser hair removal sessions you're going to need? Well, it does depend on a few factors. Hair grows in cycles and the laser can only target hair that's in the active growth stage. That's why multiple sessions will be necessary to make sure that we catch all the hairs just at the right time. On average, most people need between 6 and 10 sessions to see significant long-lasting results. However, it could be more or it could be less. This depends on your skin type, your hair colour, and also the area that we are going to be treating. Each session, depending again on the area, is typically spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart, 4 weeks for facial hair and more like 6 weeks for body hair. This allows time for new hair to grow through before we do the next treatment. But patience is key. After a full series of treatments, many people enjoy smooth skin for months, hopefully years, and with only the occasional top up, maybe once every 12 to 18 months. So if you would like to start your journey with us, book in with us for a bespoke consultation so we can help create your treatment plan that is tailored just to you. You can do that via our website or you can give the girls a call here at the salon.